So guys, in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to open, edit and share a PLP file in your PixelLab. I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process behind this. Also, I'll be sharing a free PLP file to as many who will watch this video till the end. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I've launched my PixelLab application. Now I want you to click on this last icon. First of all, click on my project. So guys, this is where you will get to find all your projects. I mean the project you've worked on prior to now, and they are referred to as PLP files. So what's the full meaning of the acronym PLP? Simply means PixelLab project files. You understand? So these are your raw files, just as PSD files, and PSD files are what? Photoshop files. We also have PLP files, which is PixelLab project file. So when you open my project, you will find all your previous works or designs here. Take for instance, if you want to share this particular project or PLP file with a friend, I'm going to be telling you what you are expected to do so that you can share that file with your friend successfully. First of all, click on this share icon. Remember I told you guys that I'll be teaching you how to share, open and edit a PLP file in PixelLab. Now click on it. Once you click on the share icon, your device is going to show you the available applications where you can share the file. So you can choose to share it via WhatsApp, Telegram, Zykiva, Messenger, whichever application you want to use to share the file, it is up to you. Take for instance, you want to share it via WhatsApp. Click on just once if you are using an Android device. Once you open your WhatsApp, it is going to show you the different groups on your WhatsApp and the contacts on your WhatsApp. You can go ahead and share it to your friend or to any particular group. That's for WhatsApp. So guys, this is how to share it. If you want to share it via WhatsApp, even though it is Telegram, you can go ahead and share it on Telegram. So I've taught you guys how to share. The next thing I'm going to teach you guys is how to open a PLP file that was sent to you. Now for those of you that are going to gain access to the PLP file, you are going to gain access to the file via my Google Drive. Now I'm going to take you to my Google Drive where I will show you the PLP file so that you can be able to edit and open it yourself. So let me minimize. This is my Google Drive. So guys, as you can see, this is my Google Drive. Now let me show you the PLP file. Hope you can see this folder. It is called PLP files. So click on it. So open the folder. For those of you that are going to gain access to my Google Drive, the moment you open the folder, you are going to find this PLP file. Yes, the next thing you are expected to do is for you to download it into your phone. So click on this three dot icon, then click on download. You get, I don't need to download it because it's already in my phone. But for those of you that want to gain access to this file, you need to download it. Okay, after you've downloaded it, the next thing you need to do is for you to go back to your PixelLab application. Now let's go back to our PixelLab application. So this is my PixelLab application. Click on this three dot icon. That is when you've downloaded it too. You get my point? Make sure you've downloaded it before you do this. Click on open PLP file. It will take you back to where your projects are being saved. But what I want you to do now is for you to click on this PLP icon. Click on it. The moment you click on it, it is going to show you different folders on your phone. Now you are expected to search each of the folder for you to find where the PLP file is. You get my point? For me, it is in my Telegram folder. But for you, it might be in any of the folder in your phone. So you need to open each of the folder for you to find the PLP file. So this is it. Open it. Now the PixelLab application is asking you, what exactly do you want to do? Do you want to add it to your project as well? Open only, open and add. I will advise you to click on open and add so that it will save it in your PixelLab application. Click on OK. As you can see, this is the PLP file, and this is the file that I'm giving out to you all for free as long as you watch this video to the end, because for you to gain access to this file you need to watch the video to the end because of the password. So at certain intervals the password will pop up on your screen, so do well to capture each of the number, and after you are done, combine it. Just head over to the description of this video. You will find a link there that will take you to the website. Click on that link. When you get to the website, input the password for you to gain access to this file. I'm giving out this file to you guys for free. You get my point now? Okay. Before I leave, I want to make a quick announcement. Our bootcamp will be coming up on the 14th, 15th, and 16th of May. I encourage you to join us. For those of you that want to improve and level up your skill, this bootcamp is for you and you can't afford to miss it. Do well to like, comment, share. If you are yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much. It is Vixen Tech. Do well to watch the next video that will appear on your screen. See you in my next video.